Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add extra baggage in Virgin Atlantic. First, go to your browser and visit virginatlantic.com. Click Manage or My Booking. Select Manage Booking. Enter your booking reference or ticket number and your first and last name. Click Search. Once your flight appears, go to Ads On. Choose how much extra baggage you want to add. Proceed to payment, and extra baggage is now added to your flight. And that's it. That's how to add extra baggage in Virgin Atlantic. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.